Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial. In this playlist, it may be 15 or 20 videos, I'm going to explain from A to Z matrices. What is matrices? How to calculate matrices, how to multiply matrices, how to divide matrices if possible, how to add more than 2 matrices, how to multiply more than 3 matrices or 2 matrices, how to add together 2 matrices and work together to find one equation, one Cramer's rule equation. I'm going to explain more in the upcoming videos. I'm going to give you a full length course, a mini course. You can say a mini course, but it will cover everything from A to Z. So please motivate me by subscribing to the channel. Let's start. Today I'm going to give you an introduction about matrices. What's matrices? So for example, I can give you, let A, I'm going to name this matrix A. I can name it whatever I want. I can name it B, C, D, F, E, G. I can name it whatever I want. Let A equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. Sorry for my bad handwriting. I'm trying to improve it as much as I can. Let me improve this. So this is a matrix. This is a 5, okay. So this is a matrix. It's a sequence of numbers, you can say, a range of numbers. It's a 2 by 2, so I have 2, 3, 5, 7, as you can see. So I'm going to give you a question. We're going to solve these together. So first of all, this is a matrix, as you can see. This is called A11. This is the first row. It's row 1. And this is column 1. So this is 2. 2 is A11. Now, what's A12? Simply, how do you find it? It's row 1. This is the row. This is row 1. This is row 2. This is column 1. And this is column 2. So yeah. Row, this is row and this is column. This is row and this is column. This is row, the first one on the left is row, and the second is a column. So row 1, column 2. This is row 1. This is row 1, and this is column 2. So A12 is 3. Now row 2, column 1. This is row 2. This is all row 2, and this is column 1. So it's the intersection, which is 5. Now try to find the last one. What's A22? Try to find. You can pause the video, or I'm going to explain it now, but you can pause the video. A22 is simply row 2. As you can see, this is row 2. Now, what's column 2? It's 7. A22 is the intersection of row 2 and column 2. A21 is the intersection of row 2 and column 1. Like this. A11 is the intersection of row 1, column 1. So A22, it's the intersection of row and column. Of row 2, column 2, which is simply this and this. It's 7. Now I'm going to give you a 3 by 3 matrix, which is very common, especially in exams, because it's more important and it's harder than 2 by 2. And yes, you might deal with it in the exam. So I'm going to give you 3 by 3 matrix. For example, I'm going to say let B equal to 3 by 3 matrix. First of all, guys, what do you mean by 3 by 3? Simply rows, column. It's simply 3 rows, 3 columns. That's what I mean by 3 by 3 matrix. It's simply 3 rows, 3 columns. So we have here, for example, I'm going to give you an example. Guys, this is a 3 by 3 matrix. We have 3 rows, row 1, row 2, row 3, column 1, column 2, column 3. This is a 3 by 3 example. Now it's very clear, guys. This is the row, this is the column, up to down, and the row is from left to right. It's very clear now. I'm going to give you an example and please try to solve it. Please bring a paper and solve with me. For example, A11. I'm going to solve the first two and we will solve together the last two. So A11, it's very easy. Row 1, column 1. It's the intersection, it's 3. Row 2, column 1, it's easy. Row 2 and column 1, it's 1. It's the intersection of row 2, column 1, it's 1. Now the last two guys, 2, 3, the intersection of row 2 and column 3, it's 4. Solve this please. Pause the video, you have 10 seconds, start to solve it. A33, it's row 3, it's the intersection of row 3 and column 3. As you can see, row 3, column 3. It is 6. So this is a small introduction, a small basic introduction about matrices, but I just want you to know that it can be negative. For example, we can have -7, we can have -5, we can have -5, we can have -1, we can have -2. It can be either plus, minus, and it can be any real number. It can be here any real number. The input of the matrix can be any real number, positive, negative, decimal, fraction, anything. That's for today. I hope you liked the video. This is more introduction and we will continue more and delve deep into matrices in the next upcoming videos. Peace.